Just close this bit. Damn. Is V like okay? Like mentally and stability? No. Alright, let's see what that yellow bitch was. Damn. What? Oh shit. That's I guess that's your death. I'm not dealing with this guy, to be immediately honest. Okay, I've overcome my trauma. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. The fuck? The hell? Hey, where did you fight? Did you fight? Ah! Jesus! I'm here, bitch. Oh well. Ghost bitch, you good? Better than ever, dumbass. Alright, let's reset these goddamn memories, cause well, I don't need you in my life anymore. Formal music. Ding. Welcome all. The Elliots are known for many things: class, narcissism, currently being alive, well timed. I don't care about your toast. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Everyone stay at the back. This is a shooting. That dress bit. Hold that gun. Put down that gun before. Oh shit. Tessa, remember, you didn't have to start a shooting. You didn't have to start. Just until you dumbass. What the hell's going on? You didn't have to start a mass shooting. Grab it. Just grab it. Grab it, you dumbass bitch. Tantrum. Brain blast. Oh, this crazy bitch can help. Psycho bitch. Oh shit. You don't even know what that thing does, you dumbass. You wanting it tells me you shouldn't have it. You are so goddamn petty. This is the only clue to what's mentally unstable with me. Oh shit. Oh, better save my friend, I guess. Okay, leave us alone, you Russian nesting bitch. Goddamn. You raised a good daughter. I don't give a shit. Damn, okay. Grab it. Just grab it. Grab it. Intimidating glare. Wilbit for an eldritch monster singing. Dissolver of the absolute fabric, the void. That's potential end, I guess. Okay. Peep this, I guess. Ooh, I can see. I got you. Humma. Go to retrieve that. Gentle mouse, dude. Cute, false, gross, true. Let's just delete your memories then. I want you to have dementia for the rest of your life. Goodbye, dummy. Execute. No! Why am I glitching? What happened? Sorry, my dad's trying to be a off-times Twitch streamer. Oh, Jesus! Whoops. Oh, sorry. You okay? Emo bitch? Don't freaking dox me. Thanks, bro. You little narcissist. Get out of my head. You like the word I sent you in? Oh well, I guess you didn't. Here's your key. Take me with you. That's the deal, you British whatever. Jesus. Josh, check a mate. So you shooting me? Was you checking something? Wow. Let's go, mates. What?